Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight on a Hyundai Veloster. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H7. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. You'll find the headlight assembly located behind the front bumper, which we'll access next. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove the two screws that secure the top of the headlight assembly. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward just enough to give you access to the back. Then, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and gently disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling. With the connector off, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and carefully pull it out. Avoid touching the glass of your new H7 bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise to secure it, then firmly reattach the electrical connector until it clicks. Finally, slide the headlight assembly back into its proper position, making sure it aligns correctly. Reinsert and tighten the two screws you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Before closing everything up, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. If it illuminates, you're all set. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully changed your Veloster's headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.